Imagine you're standing at the edge of a vast, unexplored territory. Beneath your feet lies something more valuable than oil, gold, or real estate. It's a resource that will define the next era of wealth: artificial intelligence. This is the AI gold rush. And just like the pioneers who transformed entire economies by daring to move first, early adopters today are staking their claims. Some people will watch from the sidelines and wonder what's happened. Others will take action and build fortunes that last generations. Which one will you be? I'm Jamal Khan, an entrepreneur, deal maker, tax advisor, and a financial strategist. I created the Elite Hub app, a unique platform for exclusive networking and high-value deals. Elite Hub is gaining thousands of new members every week. For years, I have helped business owners, professionals, and ambitious individuals navigate the times of disruption. I have created this channel, Elite Mindset, to share practical strategies and insights that don't just inform you, but transform you. Today, we're going to explore why AI is the most powerful wealth creation force of our time, and how you can position yourself to benefit while everyone hesitates. Throughout history, every major leap in technology has created winners and losers. In the Industrial Revolution, the winners were those who embraced machinery and mass production. In the age of the internet, the winners were those who saw the potential of e-commerce, social media, and online services before the crowd. Now, a new frontier has opened. Artificial intelligence isn't just another tool. It's an amplifier, a force multiplier that can transform how you earn, invest, and scale your ideas. Most people will miss this opportunity. They'll dismiss AI as a hype or delay learning until it's too late. But those who start now are setting themselves up to own the future. You might be wondering, haven't there been other tech booms before? Absolutely, but this time is different for 3 reasons. Speed. AI is evolving faster than any innovation in human history. Accessibility. You no longer need to be tech giant to use advanced AI. Compounding impact. AI improves itself the more you use it, creating exponential returns. This convergence is what makes the AI gold rush unique. It's not just about having better tools, it is about creating entirely new business models, income streams, and markets. Let's break down each of these forces in more detail. Only a few years ago, most AI applications were confined to research labs and specialized companies. Powerful AI tools are available to anyone with an internet connection. Consider this: GPT language models can draft entire books, create marketing campaigns, or answer customer queries instantly. Image generators can produce stunning visuals in seconds. AI analytics platforms can process millions of data points to uncover trends human could never see. This is not happening gradually, it's happening right now. And if you wait to see how it all plays out, you'll be playing catch up with those who are already integrating these capabilities. In the past, adopting cutting-edge technology required huge capital. You needed teams of engineers, expensive hardware, and months of development. Today, it takes a few clicks and a modest subscription to access tools that rival the capabilities of major corporations. This means a solo entrepreneur, a freelancer, or a small business now compete on a global scale. It's like being given the keys to an entire factory that runs itself without the overhead, but only if you're willing to open the door. Here's where most people underestimate AI. The more you use it, the better it gets. AI learns your preferences, refines its outputs, and continuously optimizes your workflows. This creates a compounding advantage, one that's very hard for late adopters to match. If you start building your AI systems now, your business can evolve alongside the technology. If you delay, you'll find yourself trying to leap over an ever-widening gap. Let's talk about mindset, because no strategy matters without it. Early adopters share a few traits that set them apart: curiosity, a willingness to explore and experiment without needing all the answers up front; speed, of implementation, acting on ideas quickly rather than waiting for perfect conditions. Comfort with imperfection, understanding that mastery comes from iteration, not hesitation. Most people get stuck in analysis paralysis. They spend so much time researching and debating that they never actually start. Meanwhile, the early adopters are testing, refining, and building momentum. This is why mindset isn't just important, it's the single biggest predictor of who benefits from the new era of wealth. To bring this home, let me share some real stories of what's happening right now. A solo consultant built an AI-powered proposal generator that customizes pitches for each client. She doubled her close rate in 6 months. A course creator used AI to translate his program into 5 languages and researched a global audience, growing his revenue by 300%. A small e-commerce brand integrated AI inventory forecasting and reduced stockouts by 70%, leading to record-breaking sales. These aren't billion-dollar companies. These are regular people who decided to get in the game early. So how do you begin? Here are 5 practical steps you can take today. Educate yourself. Block out time each week to learn about AI trends relevant to your field. Audit your workflows. Identify repetitive tasks that could be automated or enhanced by AI. Experiment small. Pick one AI tool and integrate it into your workflow. Measure impact. Track the time and money you save or the revenue you generate. Iterate and expand. Once you see the results, look for the next process to optimize. You don't need to overhaul everything at once, but you do need to start. Some people think waiting is safer. They believe the smart move is to watch and see how AI unfolds. But here's the truth. In an exponential world, waiting is the riskiest choice you can make. Every month you delay, your competitors build their advantage. They train their systems, gather data, and refine their models. By the time you decide to act, you are not starting from the same place. You're starting from behind. This is why the AI gold rush is happening now, not in some distant future. Looking ahead, here's what you can expect. AI will become your co-pilot, everything from marketing to customer service to innovation. Your ability to leverage AI will define your earning potential and competitiveness. The gap between early adopters and late movers will keep on widening. You don't have to become a technical expert. You don't need to build AI from scratch, but you must learn to use it and learn to use it well. If there is one message I want you to take from this, it's this. We are living through a moment that will be studied for decades to come. A time when those who had the courage to adapt didn't just survive, they led. In the AI gold rush, the best opportunities will go to those who act before the masses catch on. You have a choice. You can watch this moment pass, you by, or you can claim your stake, build your skills, and create the wealth and freedom you deserve. Here on Elite Mindset, I'm committed to helping you do exactly that. And if you want to connect with others who share this drive to learn and grow, you're always welcome in the Elite Hub app, a community built for people who don't settle for average. Thank you for spending this time with me today. Stay curious, stay decisive, and keep building your future one smart decision at a time. I'll see you in the next video.